All right, we are just about ready to start spray painting and mixing different pigments and colors and pearls and seeing what kind of colors we can come up with thanks to our good friends at Eye Candy Pigments. First things first, I'd love to thank Jeff from Eye Candy Pigments for hooking it up and helping the channel out by providing some of these samples for us to use to start experimenting with some wonderful colors. If you guys are not aware of Eye Candy Pigments, they are pretty much the leader in different kind of pigments online, and you can mix these different types of pigments with clear coats, epoxies. You can get as creative as you want. These are great pigments with a ton of variety, absolutely safe to use in all kinds of applications. Just to give you a little example, you can use them right over here on epoxy tables. You can use some of the pigments that they provide, making awesome epoxy tables. And I love seeing that they provide pigments in different shapes and sizes for your applications. A huge selection. I can't stress this enough. I mean, there is so many colors to choose from and different shades, as you can see by this heat map we have right in front of us. Awesome pigments. Also, they sell pigment paste, again, for epoxies and different kind of applications. Really beautiful colors, ghost colors, pearls, neons, glow in the darks. I mean, you name it, they got it. Anywhere from your basic colors to some extravagant custom colors. And you can order your sample sets if you'd like to experiment, just as we are right now experimenting with Eye Candy Pigments here on our YouTube channel, Bully Kid. So if you are interested in different kind of color combos, and if you're potentially trying to spray paint your car but you don't know what's the best budget paint job, well, I'm going to be utilizing Rustoleum paints, and we're going to be mixing with 2K part clear coat, different kind of pigments, pearls, ghost colors from Eye Candy Pigments. And our goal and objective is going to be to see how these colors look like on these automotive applications. That way you can select the color that attracts your eyes the most and makes your car pop. All right, so let's take a look at the care package here from Eye Candy Pigments. Nice little decal right over here. I'm a big fan of their logo, and I think it represents what they do here pretty obviously. So Cindy and Jeff, Eye Candy Pigments, can't thank you enough for this care package. We got a bunch of different colors in here, anything from ghost colors to beautiful pigments to as well as color shift colors. So thanks again, guys, really appreciate it. And let's just kind of go over some of these colors we got here. We got a couple sample packs, and these right here are color shift pigments. So depending on the light and the angle you look at it from, they will be changing colors. And we've got a bunch of samples here, 25-gram containers, which is plenty for painting a good amount of stuff. Look at that beautiful gold blue. You can see that gold blue reflection in that ghost color. Let's take a look at some of these. Really vibrant colors from Eye Candy Pigments, and again, just the variety is out of this world here. We got another ghost color, ghost gold. You can kind of see some of that gold reflection. We got a metallic here also that we will be spraying with our HVLP guns, which I'll get back to you guys in a second. I'll tell you all about the guns that we will be using. Again, beautiful colors. As you can see, a ton of variety from Eye Candy Pigments. I mean, it's an endless choice of colors here. And of course, we are going to be spraying these different pigments and clear coats through a variety of guns that we have over here. And again, we're going to go from the budget gun that everybody can attain, which is your standard purple Harbor Freight gun. I believe these go for about $10 to $15 on Harbor Freights. You can snatch one up during a big sale that they have. This is a 1.4 tip, and again, this is a HVLP gun. You can also upgrade from Harbor Freight into their Central Pneumatic professional HVLP spray gun, and this is a little bit better, flows a little bit more. It's also retaining a 1.4 millimeter tip. And our good friends Adam from Limeline, they sent us out a care package, as you probably saw from the last video. So they got a premium spray gun HVLP with a 1.4 tip as well. So we're going to be using a bunch of Limeline products to get some of this painting done properly. And with eye candy pigments, this is going to give us the best optimal top coat and finish. And I'm so excited to start painting. So if you guys are interested, I suggest subscribing to the channel right now. Checking me out on Instagram. There's so many different color combos that we can go with, so I want you guys to start commenting down which color combos you want me to see mix and paint. So jot those down below, and we'll see you on the next video where we're going to be actually spraying this fender here with a color combo that I'm going to choose the first time. So we'll see you next time.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true.